In this video, I'm going to be showing the DDJ 1000 inside of Rekord Box from Pioneer DJ, and I'm going to show the sampler tab. So when I push the sampler tab, I get access to all the sounds that I've dragged and dropped onto the different pads. With the DDJ 1000, I get a sampler volume knob, so I can adjust my volume and make it blend with the song. If I want to loop the song that's playing back, Happy Thoughts by Thou Shalt, I'll just use my 4-beat loop and I'll wait until it gets closer to the end. And now it's just going to play back that little section for me. To add something cool on top of that, I'm going to go and use my effects section to add some tone. I'm going to use this effect select. I'm going to use this Mobius. So let's assign it to channel number 4. And I'll turn it on here. I'm going to bring down the volume here. Bring down the volume here. You bring back more of the Thou Shalt. And I'm going to turn it on with this button, and I have the gain control right here. If I want to make it go through that cycle a little bit quicker, I'll use these buttons. I'll even make it tighter. And I have the dub echo on my color effects, so I can add that to it as well. It's on the B side of the crossfader, so let's cut left